All systems are online and functioning properly. IIR real-time data systems are live. Unit configurations, check. Offline events live feed, check. Planned and unplanned turnarounds, check. Crude movements from vessels to terminals to pipes to refineries, check. Real-time pricing from pricing partners, check. Machine learning and artificial intelligence systems, check. RC API and Excel add-in systems, check. Dynamic yield systems tied to each unit's health state, check. All supporting systems are ready, Captain. And all data feeds are powering the Refinery Calc engines.
Full speed ahead, Lieutenant. Destination, one button click reality. Let the countdown begin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, liftoff.
The long-anticipated release of Refinery Calc's next-generation platform has launched. Welcome, crude traders, refined product traders, and general curiosity seekers to your final destination of Refinery Calc's one-button click reality next-gen refining optimization platform. With the click of one button, Refinery Calc's powerful refinery optimization engine pulls in real time refinery configurations, crude slates, crude runs, product pricing, unit health states, unit offline events, cut points, and many other data streams to generate best-in-class supply and demand balances globally. Users can now eliminate messy data streams and build a digital pipeline to connect directly to Refinery Calc's engine via API calls. Use our Excel add-in to connect your data and information directly to our engine optimization platform as well. Use our Advanced Options tab to adjust the health state of major process refining units. Understand the impact of gray, blue, or green hydrogen. Investigate carbon penalties and the impact on refining margins. Many other features. Enjoy the enhancements and upgrades of our streamlined user interface. Launch your journey with Refinery Calc's one-button click reality. We are bringing in-depth energy, hydrogen, carbon emissions, crude refining optimized results for traders around the world. Learn more about Refinery Calc by visiting www.refinerycalc.com. We are confident you will be happy with our tool and service offerings.